Good morning to all. My name is Riya Chawla and I am from SD10 International College. I am pursuing FY BCom and my roll number is 124. So today I am here to discuss a topic which is food web. In this we will see what is food web, different types of food web and what are the important facts of food web. And we will also see advantages and disadvantages of processed food.
So, there we go with our topic. What is food web? Food web can be defined as a network of food chains which are interconnected at various trophic level so as to form a number of feeding connection among different organisms of a biotic community. It is also known as consumer resource system. Important fact of food web. A node represent an individual species or a group of related species or different stages of a single species. A link connected two nodes, arrow represent link and always go from prey to predator. The lowest topic level are called basal species, the highest topic level are called top predator. Movement of nutrition is cyclic but of energy is unidirectional and non-cyclic. Types of food web representation. On first, we have topological webs, which simply indicate a feeding relationship. On second, we have flow webs, which include bioenergetic web or flow web, include information on the strength of the feeding interaction. On third, we have interaction web, which include interaction. The arrows show how one group influences the another. Different types of food web that are soil food web, aquatic food web in forest, food web of grassland, food web in terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. So in this picture we can see the food web which is found on soil. This picture signifies the food web which is found in water, which is also known as aquatic food web. In this picture we can find the food web which is found in forest area. This is the food web which is found on grassland. And lastly we can see food web which is found in terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Significance of food web. Food web distinguishes level of producer and consumers by identifying and defining the importance of animal relationship and food sources, beginning with primer producers such as plants, insect and herbivorous. Food webs are important tools in understanding that plants are the foundation of all ecosystem and food chain, sustaining life by providing nourishment and oxygen needed for survival and reproduction. The food web provides stability to the ecosystem. So now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of processed food. First of all, we will see the advantages of processed food. Foods are usually processed to kill harmful bacteria or other microorganisms to make them safer and for longer shelf life. Some processed food like peanut butter, blueberry jam, homemade cranberry juice, apple juice, grape juice are healthy choices that can be harmless. Processed foods are preserved in cans, bottles and jars that are airtight. So the food packed inside is free of bacteria. So here in this picture we can clearly see that how processed food is packed airtightly and which is bacteria free. Now we will see the disadvantages of processed food. Food processing removes some of the nutrition, vitamins and fiber present in the food. Processed foods are obtained from laboratories and not nature. The foods are genetically modified and may cause gastrointestinal disorder, infertility and can damage your organ. Frequent intake of processed foods can make people become angry and irritable. Consumption of natural whole food can help level out of your mood, sustain energy level and leave you feel content and relaxed. So this picture tells us that the trans fat and sugar present in processed food can cause inflammation and unhealthy condition that leads to asthma. Daily munching of processed food promote aging and kidney damage as they contain phosphate and genetically engineered ingredients. Thank you.